So after na we had some activities inside the classroom, I brought itong mga preschoolers natin ngayon dito sa may play zone ng ating paaralan ng Kabuluan Elementary School, and we're gonna have to make them play. Okay? So here they are, yung mga preschoolers natin. Nasa play zone natin ang mga kabataang ito, at they are making use of the slide. And then nandito yung mga iba, naglalaro sila, and they are enjoying it a lot, no? Everybody's trying to enjoy. Okay? So here they are. Ay, be careful, mag-ingat lang. So we are giving them a lot of time for play and work, no? So here they are, oh. You can just imagine how happy these young kids are, young boys as well as young girls, who are now in our preschool getting ready for our grade 1 activities next school year. This is how we are trying to prepare them for formal schooling. Ay, wag magtulakan, ha? Wag magtulakan. Be careful, be careful. Oo, dahan-dahan kayo. You just play. Maglalaro lang kayo, ah? Laro-laro lang. Laro-laro lang kayo, ah? Ops, yung kalat, oh, nagkalat, oh. Ay, be careful. Dahan-dahan lang, ha? So, see how happy these young boys and young girls are. I have just brought them outside the classroom, and well, this is in one way or the other giving them all the chances to be socialized. They need to play, of course. They need to play. After some activities inside the classroom, I opted to bring them out, and this is how they look like now. Everybody seems to be enjoying every bit of their being with us here at Kabuluan Elementary School.